Environment Canada at 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, October 4th, 2020.
There we go.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0005. Je répète, ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0005.
There we go.
This is a required monthly test for all 0005. I repeat, this is a required monthly test for all 0005. Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour un 0005. Je répète, ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour un 0005.
It's weird. This one didn't go off for some reason. I don't know why. By the way, just in case if you're wondering, the reason why I don't use this radio anymore because it's completely broken. Like, the speaker just barely even works now. It's just like, it's basically just nothing but staticness basically now. So this radio is fully retired. So that's the reason why I don't use it anymore.